Oh, Downtown Falls in Bracebridge and Muskoka, you never let me down. It's a beautiful day for a day trip. It's just so lovely out today. And lucky me, just checking out the colors on my day off and feeling immensely grateful for it. And these colors, of course, include the purple and white asters that are so typical of our region. Here's another variety of aster. And if you just step over here, here's a completely different variety of aster. These are the colors of fall in Southern Georgian Bay and Muskoka.